Hi friends, this video shows how to install VLC media player. First select App Store. So here you can see App Store, select it. Then select search. Then search for VLC. VLC. Here you can see VLC media player. Select it. Then select VLC for Fire. So this is a VLC media player for Fire TV stick. Click on download. So now it's downloading. So please wait. Now it's installing. Okay, done. So let me open it. Okay, so this way we can install VLC for Fire. Let me select hello here. Okay, so please try it. If you have any doubt, please comment.